Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a Word document by email using Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the tools you need to compose and send messages with attachments. Once your inbox loads and you can see your emails, you'll want to start composing a new message. Look for the New Email button located in the top left corner of your screen. This button opens a blank email composition window where you can attach files, add recipients, and write your message. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Now you're in the email composition screen, and this is where you'll attach your Word document. Direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs like Home, Insert, and Options. Click on the Insert tab to access the attachment tools. This tab contains all the features you need to add files, images, and other content to your email. Once the Insert menu opens, look for the Attach File option. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear with different attachment options. From this list, select Browse this PC. This allows you to navigate through your computer's folders and locate the specific Word document you want to send. After clicking Browse this PC, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window displays all the folders and files stored on your computer, making it easy to find your document. Navigate through your folders until you locate the Word document you wish to send. Once you find it, click on the document to select it. You'll notice the file name appears highlighted, confirming your selection. Now click the Insert button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. The Word document will then be added as an attachment to your email, and you'll see it appear in the attachment area of your message. With your document now attached, all that's left to do is fill in the remaining email details. Add your recipient's email address in the To field. Type a subject line that clearly describes what you're sending, and if needed, write a brief message in the body of the email. Once everything looks good, simply click Send, and your Word document will be delivered to your recipient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.